KC athlete now off track and in the recording studio. Shaheem Cox rebranded as JayBlem.
Fully blamed. Yo, JB.
So, I been have 1 foot in and 1 foot out, so now I forgot just put in my 2 foot and now say I fully music now do.
How we them gyal talk about? How we them gyal talk?
Shaheem Cox with a spring in his step for Kingston College, getting bronze and silver at Champs, a bronze and a silver also at the Carifta Games, but hobbled by injury at this year's Boys Championships, and now full-time in the recording studio, the long jump shortchanged by hopes of making it as a DJ.
When I reach a KC, I used to freestyle, knock the decks and them thing there, and freestyle in a classroom, clash with my schoolmate them and them thing there. So I decided to take up music serious from age 14, record my first professional single. Me and the whole of my dog, them used to walk to studio, try for voice, used to try find studio and them thing, they try get rhythm. We used to have problem to get one instrumental for record. We used to take down the rhythm them off of YouTube and do song on them, put them out. Even though we know that's not the right thing for do, but we still want people to hear a song them and hear a voice through the speaker, so we did have to do what we have to do.
Going to school and participating in competitive sports is another thing. How you did both?
At time management, and we did always separate the music from the track and field, so we used to always record a lot of songs, so that when a track season, I never have to run to studio for record music. I never did involve track and field with music, I never mixed the two of them. I been at the track and field from primary school, and I know how to cope with it. I know when I training time, I have to do training, I know say I can't drink and them things there, so diet is a part of it, rest is a part of it. I know the whole of them things there, so I did always have the discipline for the track and field as well.
He says he's good enough to go further in sports, but gold elusive for Cox. At any rate, he's had to make a choice.
You know, I'm talented both ways. I see my future bright both ways, so I really just choose what I love more. I realize say I can't mix music and track and field. The supporters them where I support track and field, they would like to see me run on the track for Jamaica, and then I go sing a song. I tell the girl them to shake and skin out and them things. So we know say it's inappropriate, so you have to choose.
So you're at school, your friends at school were talking about JayBlem?
Yeah man, the whole of KC one, JayBlem Nation one. If you play account right now, if you play regular, if you play any JayBlem song, them sing. Them know it.
You know one Blem Nation.
Money in my account. You see me? And that everybody remember. The money in my account, everybody want money in them account.
So what sort of lyrics you drop at school and get like the reaction of the kids?
All type of lyrics man, but JayBlem is more of a hardcore and sing J type. So I used to always write hardcore lyrics and freestyle. Freestyle about anything man.
I think hardcore is an understatement. I listen to some of your songs and they're flat out like violent murder songs.
Yeah, but my song them where you hear the violence because JayBlem a search for a hit song and we see multiple violent songs hit, so it's not that I'm promoting violence, but we know say a certain song can hit the market and that me I work on.
Were you ever concerned at any point that the principal would say we might expel you?
No, if me I do what I'm supposed to do in a school and me I manage my music properly and me I manage my sports properly, I don't see the sense I go on try to get rid of somebody that now cause disruption in the school, isn't it?
Why are songs like that so popular now amongst the kids?
The times we're living in now are very, very violent times, so and most of we come from inner city and we're exposed to a lot of things, so when we are singing about them things, most people can relate to them things. I will know that. If JayBlem say when the tea that pull up and them things that because we know about drive-by and we know say them things that happen. And we been see them things that happen. If JayBlem say Mara splash like guava, because we know, and we did watch a video. So we told you police to throw them in a van back and see Mara drop a gun there. Because we know them things, we see them things, we sing about it.
But when young people see that violence play out day in, day out, What happens to them up here? What happens to them mentally?
Some people mentally break down. Some people find motivation outside for move out of the bad area with them inner. Some people are going in a better situation. Some people take it different.
And have you found that motivation?
A motivation I get from struggle, man. Because if I never get motivation from struggle, I choose the wrong path.
Oh yeah, it's TVJ. Cut up and can't heal. People do my things and I never did.
Me would encourage an artist to try to demonstrate what I'm saying in music or influence somebody to do what I'm saying in music. Just keep it lyrical and keep it to the music.
You think
so you're not going to act the violence.
You think a 16-year-old listening to that is going to be able to make that distinction though?
That's why they have parents. Remember, say them are minor, you know.
You thought you got the right guidance from your parents?
Yeah. When you get the right guidance from my parents, because you never go hear say JayBlem they take up a gun and go kill a man down the road. But me I sing it. All heap of the youth them now have lunch money for go to school, you know. All heap of the youth them parents never did set a foundation where them can build upon. You see me so? Enough of the youth them are go frustrated, enough of them are go take up violence.
Did you ever go to school hungry? Did you ever go to school without lunch money?
Yeah man, a whole heap of pressure JayBlem got through. You see me? Normally when a track season we get food and them things. But apart from that, we sell sweetie and them things. We know so we not do it, but we do it same way because we hustle a sell bill.
JayBlem says he got good grades at school, that he believes in education, and it shows in his lyrics.
A lot of man does a rhyme. Like this, like that. Like this, like that. Because a simile alone them know it. Enough of them can't form a story. Enough of them can't make you imagine. They can't imagine no. Because the storyline are there. So it all comes back down to education. Some man does a rhyme and them are do this and it go sound good. It go hot for the week and hot for next week. Everybody go start listen back to them Chronics and them listen back to them Bob Marley and that go on.
Do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know.
That's JayBlem, whose dad, by the way, is DJ Danny English, an EP most reputable, set for July 31.
A future plans on a short term, I'm not going to say me run down some dub plate. I'm not going to run back a sound man. And I'm not going to say, yo, you know want 2 dub or you're not going to give me 3 dub. And pay me for 3 dub and collect a 30 grand in my pocket and them thing they are dust. You wait till the song hit. Wait till they're in demand. So we not try short term the business or try jump or skip the line in the business. Who don't know me today, I know me tomorrow. If you don't know me tomorrow, I know me next week. If you don't know me next week, you have to know me next month or next year.
King Roll, I saw my fit murder. It's a Italian leather. Dog to my sister. My Bulgaria don't play me either. My girl a be forever 21 and a Gucci bag. We no broke, chicky got them ratio.